That look. So we're making headway. The 14 bolt is in the rear. All the mounts is on it. It's we just got through centering it up under the Jeep. Still got to put a cover on it. Still waiting on my axle shafts. But my drive shaft was able to stretch it a little bit farther back, but the drive shaft still works that I had in it. So I don't have to buy a drive shaft. Thank goodness. Saved that a little bit of money. Because I've spent money other
places.
Yeah. Did have to design the upper controller mounts a little different for my Clayton setup. So I had to move them off the front of the mount a little bit, and they're all welded in, secure. So the rear end is done mount wise, and centered up. It's the wheelbase or where I want the rear end at. Pinion angle is all set. This is with the axle, with the tires off, this is the axle at ride height. So now we can start figuring out where the coilover mounts go, top and bottom, because we got to cut the frame notch it, set the mounts back in the frame. And for an ends tore apart, it's all tore apart. Thanks to my buddy Zach. Like I said, all his help he's been helping me with. We gotta cut all these off still. Get the coil spring mount, shock mount, all that's gonna be off, bare frame. We started building the 60. Well, we got it tore apart. So it's moving along. And we still got the fenders coming that we gotta fit, get painted, gotta fit the hood, cut my new hood. Got new hood vents from Moto-Built to go in it. The fenders are coming from Moldner Fab. They're shipped and on their way. They're a different high clearance fender. I've got to change out my hood hinges because they're a little bent. Which I've got all that, just got to change it out. And I'm trying to think what else PSC goodies. Because we're going full hydro. So be cooler all around, full hydro. But we're getting there. But it's still a ways out.